Hello everyone, welcome to another story. Pepper eats green vegetables. Children, eating green vegetables is a very good habit. They make us strong and healthy. Junk food makes us ill. Tring! School's over. Let's go home. Hooray! I feel hungry. Want to have a big cheesy pizza. But Pepper, teacher said not to eat so much junk food. I hate spinach. Mama, I want a burger. Yuck! No, Pepper. Green vegetables are good for you. You had lots of candies last night. I want burger. I want burger. No. Pepper, stop throwing tantrums. Don't complain if your stomach hurts. I don't care. I want a burger. Fine, stop. I will get you what you want. Time to go to school, Peppa. Mama, I am not feeling well. Oh dear, you have a fever. Let me take you to a doctor. Pepper, you have a stomach infection. Ate too many junk food last night. Eating green vegetables will keep you fit and healthy. Junk food will make you sick. Sorry, doctor. I will eat green vegetables even if I don't like them. Very well said. Eat healthy, stay fit. Mama, spinach doesn't taste bad after all. That's my boy.